How to check for sagging door hinges using a simple piece of paper. If you hear highway wind noise in your cabin and your doors close with a harsh metallic clunk, your hinges are sagging. Run this easy DIY check. Open the door halfway, grab the bottom edge, and lift up and down with force. If you feel any play or knocking in the pins, they are worn out. Second check. Place a sheet of paper over the weather stripping and close the door. If you can pull the paper out with zero resistance, your door is misaligned, destroying your seals. Did you know sagging doors cause rust? Comment your car below.